It's Better Homes and Gardens' 40th birthday, and what better way to celebrate than with a pink champagne and vanilla bean cake. To make the actual cakes, it's as simple as making a basic butter cake batter with an addition of pink champagne and a touch of pink food colouring too. Now you can also use a pink sparkling wine or a regular champagne instead. They'll all give you great flavour. The frosting is easy too, flavoured with vanilla bean and a touch of champagne, tinted to make a beautiful soft pink. To assemble the cake, put the base piece of one of the cakes on a serving plate or cake stand. Brush with a little bit of the champagne flavoured sugar syrup, top with some frosting and then continue layering. Then use that remaining frosting to cover the cake completely. And now for the floral decorations, which will take this cake from delicious to show-stopping. I'm using a variety of white, pink and purple blooms. I'm also using a few pieces of peppercorn foliage, just for a little bit of green. Now it's important to make sure you wrap the ends of the flower stems with some floristry tape. That way their sap won't leak into the cake. Insert the flowers into the cake, starting at the top and continuing to arrange the flowers cascading down the side of the cake. And now for a cake topper. You can get these custom made. Hooray, happy birthday, and 40. And just like that, you have yourself a gorgeous looking cake. For more celebration cake recipes and inspiration, pick up a copy of this month's Better Homes and Gardens magazine. It's our 40th birthday collector's edition. Happy birthday, Better Homes and Gardens.